hear him clear it up. Let's take a listen to what Ray J said about Diddy taking his butt. Number one.
My ass been open more than it's been ever in my life.
Should I say I have to take
Everybody, you got one?
But girls
Bro,
don't do that.
my running. Diddy took my ass. My ass been open more than it's been ever in my life. When I try to fart, my come out. It's crazy.
Here's Ray J on the phone with me yesterday attempting to clear this up.
But I'm in character being Lil Rod, and guess what? I shouldn't have did that either. I shouldn't have been talking about Lil Rod. He might have, I don't know if what happened with his ass, but I was insensitive about his ass, and then it turned on me.
It turned on your ass.
Looking at it, I'm like, I said the same ass as Ronnie and all that on the bus talking about Lil Rod. I'm in character. I'm telling the homies this is what he said, and then they clipped it right there. But this is not okay. This is not okay.
Yeah, I'm glad.
Diddy
I'm glad
is a good guy, and he would never take my ass like that.